Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the way to start off the week. Big volume, big price movement, and this thing just keeps on grinding higher and higher. So much so that it actually put in new highs today, broke up through that $54 mark, which is actually going to be where our first level of support is at. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So this was an area of resistance, but now that the price has gotten up above it, it would now be considered an area of support. And what I would call the ideal of them. If you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up there above the $54 mark. But by no means is this a situation where if the price falls below there, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could, get up above there and stay up above there, that would be a monster sign of power moving forward. But like I said, even if the price drops below there, that's okay. Not the end of the world or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at everything from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, staying above 54 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, they just continue to not matter. What do I mean by that? Well, as long as the price continues to do what it's already been doing, which is this right here, building those higher lows, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and enjoy the trend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.